Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about WeAre Warriors. It's a really fun games for those who are playing. They know what I'm talking about, and I decided guys to share with you because I find a mod about the game, and this mod is possible to get it in for the both devices, iOS and Android. It's the same steps for the both devices, so I just decided to share it with you with my phone today. Everything I did it, so you can learn it if anyone wants to do it. All right, so I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'll show you what I did in order to get the mod. So as you can see right over here guys, I'm generating so much gems and also coins, and I can show you immediately that how I did it. Okay, so before you start the whole process guys, all you need to do, you just need to make sure you have a good connection with your internet. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. If you are not sure how to check this, I can show you real quick. You just have to head to your settings, go over here where is general, and then background upper fresh, again background upper fresh, and over here you have this Wi-Fi mobile data. You just need to select this, and then you just have to get back again to the settings, scroll it down here to App Store, and where is automatic downloads, make sure you will have it on guys. So if you have switch off, make sure to turn it on. Okay, so these steps are required just for the iOS users. If you're an Android user, you don't have to go to settings at all. You don't have to make any changes. All right guys, so all you need to do now, you just need to go to your internet browser and go to the searching bar and type the name of the site where I find the mod. Is called Find APK Mods. Just one second. Okay, here it is. Inside of the site guys, you will have a lot of other mods, a lot of other games you can check if you're interested for something else. It's pretty simple steps, and the same steps that I'm showing to you right now are for all the rest of the apps you can try. Okay, so just to type the name of the game in the searching bar, it's easier to find. Click in the middle and then install, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done guys. Very easy steps to complete after. As you can see, it's totally simple to do it. So this is the video tour for the day guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching guys. Cheers.